This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Ferrari 488 Spider. First, ensure your vehicle is in park. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, press the red engine start button located on the steering wheel. Listen for that incredible engine roar. Take a moment to get comfortable with the paddle shifters and other essential controls right at your fingertips. This initial step sets the stage for an exhilarating drive. Now that the engine is running, let's get moving. To engage first gear, pull the right paddle shifter towards you. Release the brake gently and apply a small amount of throttle to move forward. Remember, the right paddle shifts up and the left paddle shifts down. Practice smooth acceleration and braking to truly appreciate the car's responsiveness and power. The Ferrari 488 Spider offers various Manatino modes on the steering wheel, from wet to race. Choose the mode that best suits your driving environment and desired performance. Feel how the car responds to your inputs. Its steering is incredibly precise, and the chassis provides exceptional balance. When it's time to slow down, trust the powerful carbon ceramic brakes for confident and effective stopping. When your thrilling drive concludes, it's time to park. To engage reverse, locate and press the R button on the center console. Use your rearview camera and parking sensors to guide you into your spot safely and precisely. Remember to always park in a secure location. And hey, while you're enjoying that new car smell, don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.